Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yalida. Today I have a Louis Vuitton video to share with you. It is an unboxing of a piece. It is something that I got in replacement for some other piece. So it does have a little bit of a story time to go along with it. But very quick, if you are into unboxings and reviews, then be sure to subscribe because I think you'll like it here. I'm going to be unboxing at the same time, but very quick, I do want to share the bag that I got because it is a commemoration to a Louis Vuitton himself. So just on one side is his face, and then on the other side it just says Louis Vuitton. So this is the box, and basically for Christmas I got the Neverfull in the Empreinte style and the Noir color from my husband, and he was just like, hey, why aren't you using your new gift that I got you? And I said, well, you know, I just want to like preserve it, have it be nice and neat for as long as possible, and I'll take it out whenever I'm ready. So he's like, no, I think there's something else going on, and he was totally right. I am a fan of the Neverfull style. I already have it in the Damier bin, as well as a monogram and a special edition, the Game On collection that they released in 2020, I think that it was. So this was my third Neverfull handbag, and they're fantastic bags. There's a reason why they are the starter bag for Louis Vuitton, if you will. So that Neverfull that my husband got me, it was in a black color, which is something that I do want to add to my collection, and I love the Neverfull style. So it was just normal and natural and a perfect decision for him to think that that would have been the perfect bag. But like he said, I can tell it's just not the right timing, and perhaps I will get it at a future date, maybe even that same black bag, maybe whenever it increased price 2-3 times from now. I don't even know. But he basically said, hey, if it's just not perfect timing for you in the handbag right now, then let's just go return it, because one, we're within the time period, and two, I want you to be sure that you get something that makes you happy. That in itself, it gave me so much peace, like you would not even know. So then whenever we went into the Louis Vuitton store, it was after Christmas, so I was very shocked at the amount of stock that they had. In recent years, I've had more success with the Louis Vuitton store after Christmas than before Christmas. I don't know, it's probably just me absorbing, or I probably got a return piece. I don't even know. But I showed her a whole bunch of things that I was interested in, and a lot still in the Empreinte style, because I love it. I love that. I have my wallet here. This is the key pouch and the marine rouge combination. I cannot tell you the age if you look at this in person, because it's well taken care of. It just looks great. I've had great success with this piece, to say the least. And the Neverfull in the Empreinte style was just like, okay, it's the third piece of its kind that I'm introducing into my collection. I probably would have liked to have a little bit of more rounded collection before I introduce a third version of it. And yes, my first two are very different to where that third one would have been just fine. But I don't know what it was about me in that particular handbag. Maybe I want a black Empreinte piece, just not in the Neverfull style. Whenever we went into the store, I saw it in the other color that they have it. I think it's called Turtle Dove. Beautiful, stunning. The inside, ooh, don't even get me started. It is like a gorgeous raisin color. Even in person, it's a little bit more chocolatey, and let me just say, perfect. They nailed it. But I really did like how rich the black color was. So on my way to the store, I had black pieces in mind. But whenever I actually got to the store, look, all of that just kind of went in the back of my head. It didn't even come forefront whenever she was like, okay, what are you asking for? Basically, I was just like, okay, so what do you have? I actually want something black, and I prefer maybe a top handle. And the first bag that she brought out to me was the Noe bucket bag, which it is so beautiful. I'm telling you, I'm probably just a sucker for the combination between the Empreinte print and the interior of it. I love the versatility of that piece, how you can wear it crossbody, on your shoulder, top handle, and it's small enough to where you can have it in the crook of your arm, just like a Speedy. She did show me another one that I don't know the name of it yet. She showed it to me in that Turtle Dove color. It was so pretty, but I wasn't exactly feeling it. She did share with me the Cuisine whatever bag. I'm gonna just put it right here. They had it in the store in a variety of different colors. I saw it in the PM size, and the handbag, let me tell you, that gold chain, ooh, beautiful, beautiful. I just don't think that I am with that smooth leather because it does crease, and for the price tag of it, I'm just like, I'm not rich, but if I was, I would have it in maybe 3 different colors, but I'm not there yet. The other handbag that I wanted was the Pochette Metis. I was asking for it in the reverse monogram canvas, and she was like, no, we don't have it. I said, well, do you have it in the regular? She was like, no, we don't have it either. That's a hot ticket item. It just kind of sells. And she had told me that she had just gotten a shipment in, and the piece that I got was something that they had just put into inventory just the night before. And I don't know, it probably was a return piece, or it was probably like a part of the new stock. I just know they had put it into their stock just the night before. So she was like, no, we don't have the one that you're asking for, but let me check. The lady right next to me, she did have a Pochette Metis that she was looking into, but it was like in a fun color variation. But I was just like, no, I don't think that's the one I would like. And if she pulls something like that, I'm just gonna refuse it and go with the No Way handbag. But she was like, oh, look, we have this. And let me just tell you, the way my heart jumped whenever I saw this, my eyes probably glittered too. I don't even know. But this is what I got. This is the Pochette Metis in this metallic blue color. The sticker on it just says that it is in the Empreinte navy color, which I don't know what that means exactly. I don't know if this has a technical color. Maybe it's like electric blue. I don't even know, but I will put the details right here. But what I really loved about this is, one, of course, they have beautiful lights everywhere. It was more like a little fashion show in this, walking across the lights. But I love the silver hardware. I am such a sucker for silver tone jewelry. That's pretty much what I wear on a day-to-day basis. I do have like some silver earrings going on right now. I don't have a lot of gold in my collection, which I am working on. But let me tell you, Louis Vuitton should make more in the silver tone, because the combination of all of this is perfect. If they bring this out in the black with the silver, I think it would make a lot of dreams come true. The way that this is crafted, it is so beautifully. And I did have the Pochette Metis in the Marine Rouge combination before, which had the gold hardware. And yes, I did say had. I did sell it, and I'll get into that in just a second. But just true to all the Pochette Metises, it does have the little D-ring on the side to hook the crossbody strap, and just a single zipper pouch here in the back, right? Just simple. And then of course the top handle with the Louis Vuitton Paris symbol right at the top. You know, of course, it is the giant print as opposed to like the regular print, right? And the inside, guys, my other Pochette Metis had the textile lining. This does not. This has a blue. Let's see. It's probably not going to give you the right shade. It's a different, slightly different shade of blue out of the bag. Here, let me just get the strap out, and this is... So as I'm looking at the strap, one of the differences is my other one did not have Louis Vuitton right here on the side, which I actually think even this is a little bit thicker. So I don't know. I don't know if it's the thing that they're doing with the new Pochette Metises or what, but I am all on board. The inside is microfiber lining, and the color is just a little bit more of a green tint to it, but still it pairs beautifully with this color. But yeah, this is the handbag that I got, and I had sold the other one in the Marine Rouge combination because I had made a video review on it. And before I made a review, it was literally my handbag straight. Enjoyed it a lot. But one of my things with it was I couldn't stick a water bottle in there. So I was like, okay, I can't. Like, I'm holding a water bottle and I'm over here working around or whatever whenever I did use it. But I loved how versatile, how easy, how effortless the Pochette Metis is. But the other thing about it was that the handbag, it was pre-owned whenever I got it. And it was heavily scuffed in the corner to where after I did the review video, it was just like a little zoom lens to that. And it was just like in my mind playing, like, am I really okay with it? Like, I was like, maybe I can just sell it and get the exact same thing, just brand new. And just thinking about it, I'm like, okay, you're a little bit crazy. Like, this isn't too much of a deal breaker where you can justify adding an additional I don't know, like 800 on top of what I had already paid for it, or maybe even less. Maybe it was like $500 difference or something. But I was like, okay, that's kind of dumb. That's not so smart. So whenever I was talking about it with my husband, he's like, okay, well, why don't we just get the same bag again, but you can get it in a different style? And that kind of, you know, got me thinking like, okay, sure, I can say I enjoyed it in the Marine Rouge combination, and now I'm gonna explore perhaps the canvas style. So anyways, when she brought it out, I already knew I wanted the bag again, and two, I wanted something with the Empreinte leather, and I was getting this brand new from the store. And having this and owning this, using this every day, I've had such a good experience with this. And I do, yes, take care of my pieces, and yes, this is a wallet, so it lives inside of something that's protecting it, but it has worn very well. So I know if I would have gotten the Marine Rouge combination Pochette Metis brand new from the store, I would still have it because I'm very careful with my things. And I'm very happy for that experience that I did have with the Pochette Metis, and I still recommend it. I bought it again, and even more expensive than if I would have bought the Marine Rouge Pochette Metis from the store whenever I did sell it. So this is perfect for me. I am head over heels over having a silver tone hardware handbag in my collection, period. Not even Louis Vuitton, but like the other, like I do have Kate Spade bags, and they're all gold tone. Like, what is it about a handbag with gold tone hardware? Like, it's, I don't, is that cheaper? Like, I don't, is this more premium to get? I don't know. Like, not a lot of handbag makers do it, or a lot of brands do it. I don't even know why. And one of the things that I did do to my Pochette Metis that I had was that I bought hardware protectors from Harp Deluxe. I used to be handbag heaven, I think. And this one, of course, it already comes with the hardware protectors, and on the sides it does not have any. Does it? Oh, it's almost deceiving. There's none on the side, not even on the zipper pull. Yeah, and none on the other side, but I do have some spares from whenever I did own it, so I probably will put them on the side little ribbits, even though they don't get scratched. Like, whenever I sold my bag, these were like perfect condition. It was just not even the hardware, because the hardware was great. Like I said, I probably would have had it if I would have just not have zoomed in into one of the flaws of the handbags. So one of the things that I did think about was, okay, is metallic. Is it going to flake off? Is it going to turn silver, or whatever is the tone? But one of the things that she told me was that, one, whenever Louis Vuitton does their dyes on the leathers, they do it so deeply to where the undersurface, or even the in-between the leather, is heavily dyed, to where you do a scratch, it's gonna pick up and lift that same color. She said if you have it like in the front panel, they could replace the panel by itself. If it's somewhere to where they have to replace this whole piece, they will not do it because that's just too costly. Whereas like this front panel where they can unstitch it from here and, you know, replace the front piece, they will be okay with it. And I wish I would have probably asked sooner. That way I would have saved myself the money that was spent on this bag and just repaired that last one. But she gave me purse piece whenever she said they could take care of you, and I believe that. I have taken some a piece, which is a Neverfull, to go get repaired, and I had a wonderful experience with that. So if I ever do need to take care of this piece, I know that I would ask them first before considering selling it, and I would definitely try to undo it. This color in particular is not a color that they have in their permanent collection. She did say it is more of a limited edition color. They only brought it out in a few pieces. They brought it out in a key pouch. So yeah, this is my new handbag, and I'm happy that I have this style back in my collection and in this fun color that I'm trying out, silver. I can just tell you right now, I don't know for sure that it's gonna be one of my used handbags, but I can tell you right now that it's gonna be easy to pair this. I wear a lot of denim, and come on, this is blue. I'm not wearing denim today, as you'll see in the modeling shots in just a few. So perfect combination for me, I think. If you have any questions, do let me know down below. And also, per usual, I do ramble a lot and probably don't make too much sense for many of you, but if you have stuck with me so far, thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. And again, let me know your comments and feedback down below, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Goodbye.